Welcome back to the Build Enterprise Partworks build from Fanhome, previously Eaglemoss. We are on stage 69. This may be the quickest stage of them all. We shall see. We have a couple of phase array stickers, decals, and whatnots. And we have this upper part of the nacelle assembly. Yep. Takes me longer to get this little card out than it will to do this stage. Let's come on down. Hope you're having a great day. Me, I'm living a troubled life, but you're not here for those problems. You're here to watch this riveting stage 69 assembly. Peel the backer off. These are known as transporter arrays. And ooh, got that right on my thumb. Put this one right here. Press it in place. I don't know how long you should really press these in. I'm going to give it a good little press. If these come out, you just got to glue them back in, but I think these flat ones stick pretty well. One down, one to go. Peel the backer off. Shout out to everyone that's been watching this and commenting. Don't have the screen names of everybody up, but I do appreciate anyone that views anything on my channel, really. It's a chaotic channel. It was really originally intended for me just to have fun and enjoy myself. And here we are today. Second one in place. Press it, give it a good pressing. Yeah, I don't have much grip strength. That's documented. Some nerve damage, but who cares about that, right? Okay, we're done. Stage 69 is done. Thanks for watching, subscribing, commenting, sharing. Boom.